in the realm of nutrients, macronutrients play a pivotal role in sustaining life and maintaining basically optimal health. Now, comprising basically your carbohydrates, your proteins, and fats, these macronutrients really serve as the building blocks of our diet, providing the energy and essential components that are necessary for our body to function normally. Now, however, you know, there is significance, really extends beyond just mere the substance and really influences various aspects of our health and well-being. So let's dive into kind of the intricate relationship between macronutrients and overall health. Really want to unravel their impact on our body and really offer you some insight on achieving really a balanced diet. So first, let's begin with carbohydrates. Considered the fuel for energy and beyond, carbohydrates often are dubbed as the body's primary energy source. They encompass sugars, starch, and fibers. While they are commonly associated with providing fuel for our physical activities and brain function, their role really transcends mere energy provision. Carbohydrates contribute to satiety, aid in digestion, and serve as a precursor to important molecules such as the nucleic acids. However, not all carbohydrates are created equally. Simple carbohydrates found in refined sugars and processed foods offer a quick energy boost, but really lack the essential nutrients. On the other hand, complex carbohydrates, they're prevalent in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. They provide sustained energy release and valuable micronutrients and fiber. So consumption of excessive refined carbohydrates has really been linked to various health issues, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. Conversely, opting for complex carbohydrates promotes stable blood sugar levels, enhance digestive health, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases, thereby really highlighting the importance of making an informed choice regarding your carbohydrate source. Next is proteins, that considered the building blocks of life. Now, proteins, they're composed of amino acids, serve as a foundation for tissue repair, muscle growth, enzyme synthesis, and immune function. Unlike carbohydrates and fats, proteins are not primarily used as an energy source. However, they do play a critical role in maintaining metabolic balance and preserving lean body mass. Dietary protein quality determines if it really by amino acid composition and digestibility influences its biological effect. Animal sources such as meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy products provide all the essential amino acids in really adequate proportions, really making them a complete protein. Plant-based sources such as legumes, nuts, seeds, and grains may lack certain amino acids, but can be combined strategically to form a complete protein source. Adequate protein intake is essential for promoting muscle health, supporting weight management, and facilitating recovery after exercise. Insufficient protein consumption can lead to muscle wasting, impaired immune function, and compromised wound healing. Conversely, excessive protein intake can really, especially from different animal sources, may strain the kidneys and increase the risk of certain chronic diseases. Striking a balance and incorporating a variety of protein sources is key to reaping the benefits of this macronutrient, really while minimizing potential drawbacks. Next is fats, essential really for health and vitality. Now, fats, often vilified in popular discourse, are essential for various physiological functions, including hormone production, cell membrane integrity, and nutrient absorption. They are categorized into saturated, unsaturated, and trans fats based really on their chemical structure. Each exerts a distinct effect on health. Saturated fats, predominantly found in animal products, and certain plant oils have long been associated with an increased risk of cardiovascular disease when consumed in excess. On the contrary, unsaturated fats, including monosaturated and polyunsaturated fats, confer protective effects on the heart health by lowering cholesterol levels and reducing inflammation. Sources of unsaturated fats include olive oil, avocados, nuts, and fatty fish. Trans fats, formed through hydrogenation process, are commonly found in processed and fried foods. Consumption of trans fats is strongly linked to cardiovascular disease and other adverse health outcomes, making their reduction a public health priority. Now, contrary to popular belief, dietary fat does not necessarily lead to weight gain when consumed in moderation. In fact, incorporating healthy fats into the diet can promote satiety, enhance nutrition absorption, and support cognitive function. However, it is crucial to be discerning in fat choices. opting for unsaturated fats over saturated and trans fats to optimize your health outcomes. So how can we achieve macronutrient balance that really optimizes our health? While each macronutrient plays a distinct role in health, achieving balance and moderation is paramount for overall well-being. A diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods provides a diverse array of nutrients, ensuring adequate intake of macronutrients and micronutrients alike. So here are some practical tips to optimize macronutrients into intake and really promoting your overall health. First, prioritize whole foods. Emphasize nutrient-dense foods such as fruit, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, and healthy fats while minimizing intake of processed and refined foods. Next, pay attention to portion size. Be mindful of portion size to prevent overconsumption of any macronutrient. Practice mindful eating and listen really to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Next, strive for balance. Aim for a balanced distribution of macronutrients in your meals, with carbohydrates, proteins, and fats contributing to your overall energy intake in appropriate proportions. Next, customize based on your individual needs. Consider individual factors such as age, gender, activity level, and health status when determining macronutrient requirements. You may need to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian, really for personalized guidance. Next, stay hydrated. Hydration is essential for overall health and metabolism. Opt for water as your primary beverage and limit intake of sugary drinks and alcohol. And finally, practice moderation. Enjoy treats and indulgence in moderation, incorporating them into an otherwise balanced diet without guilt and restriction. So in conclusion, macronutrients play a multifaceted role in shaping our health and well-being. Carbohydrates, proteins, and fat are indispensable components of a balanced diet, providing the energy and essential nutrients necessary for optimal physiological function. By understanding the impact of macronutrients on overall health and adopting mindful eating habits, we can really cultivate a nourishing relationship with food and pave the way for a healthier, happier life. Remember, it's not about perfection, but rather progress towards a balanced and sustainable approach to nutrients.